My engine management light came on. Is my Ducati dying? Is my ride over? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is basically day 2 of our run, leaving Fish River Canyon through to Maltaho. I think that's how it's pronounced. From there onto the Zebra River Lodge. Turns out we're into a 500 kilometer day, so we're all going to be pushing really hard to get there.
I know this time will bite me back. I just don't care. I need some slack. Robin beat a kite on song. I know that this cannot be wrong. To ride free, to just be me. I need to live, to feel, to see. Drown the beat of the capitalist machine. Right out to all the sights unseen. The wind sings past my head. Tomorrow I could be dead. Live a life as though the end is near. Run wild, relive the sense of being a child. To choose the path seldom crossed. To be out.
So after quite a few hours of hanging on the cable, we eventually arrived at Maltaho. Man, was my bike sounding rough. Really concerning. We filled up and we hit the last 100 kilometers. It wasn't far outside of Maltaho that my engine management light came on. So now I'm not in a good space. The only thing that was really great was that the road was so much more interesting than all the other stuff we'd been riding. Even still, not a great place to be in, knowing that your bike could lock up at any moment and you could lose your engine and pretty much end up buying a farm. But yeah, I backed off, took it easy, and managed to get there, which was good enough for me.
To ride free, to just be me. I need to live, to feel, to see. Feel it fade away. This is just time to play.
So I removed the battery to see if I could reset the gremlin and decide what to do from there, but nothing changed. So I decided just to ride the bike anyway tomorrow and ride it till it breaks. If it breaks. Let's see what happens.